putte, pero mira, yo le putte. I told you to send me, pero mira, yo le send me. I told you to putte, pero mira, yo le putte. I told you to send me, pero mira, yo le send me.
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step out our toes now. We are the elephants. Oh yes, I know we can.
Virtual luak mawuno neno way la Kwe TV an la dit di ben atamni adukong boto wakwa nyoro lok mogo mananak malupe kilokom kiwani nga limpa MPs mamegwa luchun admoko chik magia ki actually rwatama mege ki la dit president Loket wong ento pawa bedonyo matut tutwal kanywak ko kway lok magien go cher kanyamne kunu si labon balokare anamiti ajol kong panelist mawan watikere kakany mano kun en bibino bene chi chamo koni wanywako lok mano tie Fred initini ning Fred ajoli tutwal apoyo Fred, Fred, duani pete winye. Ke unmuting kang. Okay. Network mamege futika yupe, but amira wachu lutua ni loke enini lok ma chero kubiro sparking onyo nyayo tuan discussion bot dano to 12 makun lok matiga winye lok ma pat anamita goni wu wiye bien anano wakika kamo mading si amira ti ker mabe amira ti ker mabe piane kunano ke kamading pier tek ni be omira anywak kedu kakoni Fred bieno kakany anatamani wiye ko ye we kachak kipenyo wuno tini ning kiner matini pian pa moru chamoni mabe kidong we wange bene kama in itika lok ye chiel we no beru be twal kawan wa moro nyo lok mamegwa no wa referring kama no initi ye bene man per tek twal we discovering bene ki coverage mamegwa kitmano tikede Lutua gene non chakke kibot la dit omera honorable Ojara Martin Mapenduzi ma Loki Peo period and karangech of course warange mabeni onodong dano bena tiki pek enoni ikomen ilok me beru kala mano wero yellow gina na dano wero o chaka mere chalo biek chidong karmo o yada anger gino miyo biek no beru yoto twale pian man waneno karmo karangech ikit me pati en olongen ber matek twal show miyo cherchi beru yot bodano me biek ko akore biek enoni magun wakunano biek dong tieni anti NRM yungela chenda enongolo to cher ka kamoni cha eneni man ipati pa wood paladit lobo makibara mera no charwa ene mera no ingo chana be waje loke eneni cha waje ni goga beru tie madit to twal ilokompate enoni Magoga ne oneno kama leng yongela chen makangat mauno chermer muamata chi chero dong mogo gin mabika tiki ye dong no pedong gin mo mati kito bedong kubido time oni pian amira wachu ni lip tutwal ni ngat ma no dong ti chalo ba wa ma peti chalo eto ngat matie party president machalo wot paladit lobo o karmo madong pagamo wachim fa en jo ma no dong ken ko ngolo la ka kulu ku tier borene mane ne gen ma o tiero chiu chichung wi joni tutwal pen lok dong ke go chim nong loko ke nong param lo ke piane no na ma chim berong pa ke gamo kon ke cha pe ke gamo ne ka do o yo ngele chen dong be ne chalo wa namba eno ne ki cher ko ke la ko dong gwa ko jo ti ki kit mo mano gwa ko nyo chwa ke blacklist dong pa ngeo o mi ono dong kit gamo chim mo ma di tutwal ber pere ke bot dano ma chalo word paladit lobo ke pat ma mege chi o mi yo ngele chen wa nen wono jomo kene ma chala eno mera honorable Jarma Penduzi dugo e party me NRM en kono ikit me loka ma mege uno eno ber ki mire ni ene loka ki kabir ma kilwoni para eto ki para kuno gini eno ni dare o chiero che omen la dit lobo o chiero chuwe ko porom timne ki kuno kirika ini miro gini ene pobo time ikit meno chumio lok uberu tima duong ma tutte ma pat lok do chakeni gini dong ba ginong ka won we an loke ka loke ki gena ga china ni ana betutte ma tek me kelu wer wani weng ni kai ram timo ene cha yela pe endong jemne mo kana kit ma wono neno lok me loke do chake and kirine wa mera machalo honorable Paul Anthony berong tin dong cher loke weng no dong lok tieni gini kauno mo chero kuja koko ma awinyo ukate kibot honorable Paul Anthony waje giano dong kar malach lwa ko komgi niki wachi beruge i opposition ni ena tika gao kelu kiria i dan lobo e Uganda e kumalama Uganda si giano ngi chatro mane ni lok mukar ki bot honorable Anthony Akol Fred petiga bieno ka kany erte lok mukar mano mera lok mano Fred tiga kany pepalo ka meta ni ano ya yup man mekero ochiene ichupa chieli ene eneni ni uker ochiene ichupa chiel ene eneni si ochiene ni bene go donyi chupa la babany man party gi chachi kom ngat mo I want to be clear on this but ka ini neno lok ma beru tie madong dit loyo jon go cher ka lok kom en ker chala pa apa Madara district Pierre kene I think look any beneka in America. Yes, Pierre Tech, Pierre Tech. But to me, no food issues, Jima do at time, Makeramo Kerne, Chal Ginumergi solving. Pecker district, you know. That to me, okay. We're calling that, all right. Right. I jolly don't.
Yes, even. An apoyo.
Actually,
An apoyo. An abero ka winyo maduong maiti lokone.
yes. Gee,
Ikong de tiak loka pa ni kong.
where I take don't go. Because you be a bit done, you get pen look, Mukama Ben, and look in no animated in a category. Look, man, no amount of MPs go again get chair, but the deal. I think I'm here and no category. Now, me on a catem, Berkamako, Berekman and Nake. Gee, Kirika dong ni MPs gi karba, to a look any. Tije mukere madono ini man watiga lok mer madong lok memong mukane RPR benong tek bara chuli erni there was lok money ni wando no adi ke ye gobi no adi eni giant enotie majo kenti on record magen go an me amer chiana ye ero chiana enene karma ke cherbot inga badal Fred, let me tell you something.
Yes.
Ka ini tamo ni ini ngi to twaldong kila det general sale chi wang kai tam ne de nyepe ko me mada chi de wang kai tam dong le re mada chi de wang la dit ene riak mo ma pa ene kong ke white part ine ba la dit ene riak ma pa lu yo openyo MP money kawe abuchiko openyo MP money ni what is the productivity of your constituency wek dong kar anwe an gena general an kete luanyi ko ma petu ko to an don ko bi luanyi ken ko ma konga kete ka penyo productivity of your constituency
And quality pa politicians wa enu.
eyo luena ram non tika luanyi ko ma da so Johnny Gucherbot men la dit lobo chidong ki kenyo and again go tam ni gwa onyo dong lok gi chani no dong bitum mada no dong gen dong ka gi cher dong lok ko me pier la titi gen mangene pier lo en chien America wai ni choko ki gutia man gen madang e ba mai winya antin non ka cher pot jali tia dugu ki twan chen ma peto ko mon eni gen madong tika kan widan chi kar ma jon chero nyero chor tok MPs ma megwa wa wunnon ko chere aya jona gu charo rito gu wa o kadong tia jendo twal sidong un wek gena tem maga ene anda chwe lubot kom Secretary General me party ke come ma eno la ten be pa jogo
Ngari
we
to
don't eyo we ko chwe lu ko na we ko chwe lu bot la dit lobo ena bena ke o bot la dit lobo a similar thing ki cher ber ke chor tok ge ni a kong dong ne na lo gu ni kong la chen so kombede kirwa joma nong geno no gen go la ke kamu kene dong tie ma dilemma me lo composition ma chalo candidate mo be ber ko en be dong lo ketie penti jo ker manong ti predetermine wachan ni mana yo be beru la chu PNRM ikaber munyo jom ker ma ko ber go la ka ne bedak be jo ma no dong kiti chan system be dong gedegi why won ko ngo kelu ka la ka ene tinene chi there's a lot to be discussed ma ngene ubiter kare we wa nyam lok ino liweng but in machalo in Fred dano machalo team analysis neno ni ikom ga egonyo liwengi enitie ni ning
diben anapoyo ma chiel ana mero poyo dano dichu matiga neno wa daktiga winyo wa man lok pemi ui actually ero lok mile wich aye lok mile wich kitian lok ni achuri do ye beru nyapo chidong watiga kwo mano wano nyap la tela yo beranga la tela yo beru wang luak machero ka duok ko duon luak kama begi teye la bole members mi parliament gen tiu duon luak my constituency ma megi chigiteri parliament ma nyama kagen gutero duon luak ma nyama chike nyamo chimoje ki dugu chen chan mukaro lajo ikumalo mi Uganda owere chawani joma wamnu wageno gi ni gien no twero keme kitela gudugu lulega gudugu lutang chingi gudugu yot chalo popcorn kayini wajo ni duok wichen ke sampling ikin lutela matin gien gu wajo ni donge loke NRM ibinoni track records giraj marun konye bepe aidha giana yegu beru brokers ichato ngome ya chuli
kakare
unyo chingu chego timo jin maraji district unyo gidiki cases maduong kumgi chidong gen gitamo ni tie got money mo bege ongegi uwego mukene wano tiki records gi mukene gurinyo for protection eta meru weche ni NRM machalo party piti kidano magiti ku kono gi kenero giti bena kadam angini ubi kamo kene ma ti jomo kene ma kibi tinyu gi ka kibi moyo gi kama leng obi beru la wit ka NRM machalo party ma waro ngeyo ni this time utamoni dong jomo lokene ena gi chwal gi dong from line la bon cherry primary aratamono obi beru la wit chwal aidha ubi nyuru ni quality palotela NRM tila pinya dida madong gitamo ni opposition mo lokene and again gibino ka feeling the void matiene
kakare
that will be a shame Mario Diben tili tieno wamo kene ma ubino itela mo tela yu beru pere ginge atini come 2026 gen pegi be dore parliament Echale tini tiga tukukad mukene do tiyo joka ilo malo mukene tiki master spade mawaji ni kai lawyer ni tap anabichili ki master spade chino atie minus pientamo ni kate MP karokwi cha appointments ubiberu tie kone guru kome favor mono ubiberu tie ubiguru kome actually uno pino giluo level mawano tika neno neni pien man actually tika exhibiting level miluor madong la maloyo ni actually tin nong petwero kemme ki lokome actually tin nong petwero kemme ki lueny matek pikaka chidong tamo ni ene ren ngeye icheto dong i ruling party opposition obero nga opposition obero an ki in matamwa pat kitampa ngat moni matitela opposition nemo even within NRM unoti jomoni magin they have disagreed with certain issues in NRM kichako wanyingi makikeo gi akea chitin litino wa malu diruberu piny gutiyo bogo lwedo gudi chingi kagu chibu nyik lok ma iyo chule ni lang chingi ni teru uno duanwa wano tiki pen lok ma tegu iya chuli magitiyo ki rare ching opposition ni ka uchero ka chung piwa na wik pum maku uting mano keri nyimgi pien gena itiga loyo gamente ikine tie lok mi chulo diang pachuli ikine ti lok mi ngom makibedo ka tich kere ikare madano ti kema ikine tie jemi ma chulo ruenyo ikare milweny mamukene monyo maya chalo moro ka mukene mamonyo maya gutiyo kere ikine tinde kalany makinego la bole ka yene chero Eastern Uganda mutu kora kiloko piere pin litieno wa magien ki wangi bogdi ibogi mega meru kin lok makitiyo ki radio iching litieno wa pien kitamo ni machalo position yen twero bedo ki duon makagu kero kamaleng chigamente winyo ikina ti loka nywa bubedo katime kanyi magitamo ne kakichwalo gen gien twero chero gikeru lok enoni macharo loka watikili tiena wube kicho mamunya gamento buru kwet gi lok metekmo kitiyo lok enoni ke ride ching MP segun nigo cheri parliament kanyamone watiki lumbege wakimege wa mamunyu nywaro gi ilok mi buru tekte kitiyo lok man ke ride ching litiena wa ni chero loko ichawani chipulok nyim gamente ngayo gio chidong gitamo ni wek pirong gi piny gidong pi accountability gendong vegi doko dibera mer wachini ti jomo kere no bela wiju umagi kilet wigi be food willow ne gendong gitidong in the system ka okaru woko tika bokulok iwinjo ka wacho ni ingeyo watemo lweny ji woko dong ngayo wa mer ni dong wa lweny dong kiye untamo wilo pe winjo lok weno ni dong gen ge gwa mada gidi dong kakati dong kimongi en tielo moni mada chulu rujo ki kwo gini owego even lok mukane memu achuru tiyu radio kama leng ka dong uno la meroko motika lopokuri mi ada moko ka da imbe loke gi chunyi weng chu winyo lok eno ni utero beru nini beru lok mina wich tile tieno wamukene makai winyo gitika lok wano dong ko warong tidong kamaraj cha wenki lubu kowa gimiru ne kowa wek walokeo ngoma dong yende timo maraj loyo ma weko indong idugu target maneka meru lok charo dano betki a genuine reason pingo pika fiki kum loka da mo weko ini loke mi aga beru ka bondo dano ni weka lok gimo ma ulu winyi ma mier it dano anatamo ni kar mo wan oye eni achuri do okay, that cheap kind of politics and me seeking glory achuri do okay yeah
nege be mango ngone
I beg your pardon
awai kore politics ni pengomo wo beta pere ne
exactly kuri politics and achuri do okay yeah ichane achuri fika nemo keep me catching up ki parts mukene me wilobo parts mukene me Uganda ichane achuri fika neno local minerals lonyo mite ngom matie ni konya ngoma wabinoye ichana churi tika neno lok mi kwan litieno wa kwano ni ning achuri tika neno lok mi lonyo mi chente mabine chingi oweko tini neno dano tika bake kono gi pu mwanyi kono gi pu kokoa kono gi piet ngo makademia gi achuri do tika neno kitima keru gi tweru roche kere ero yen fudi tika biro gi lok bolo ni mone maitamo ni kai tiro ci dano winyo dano riak maraj owegana miro na waj man di ben Ni donyo Palestine wa magien go donyo NRM. Should not excite NRM. It should not. And donyo mani tiana wa donyo NRM. Tika bleeding actually full. Peter ni actually dek NRM. Actually tiki la pen maduong magupenyo kigamente ma watien food pe kigamo. Actually mero ni kigam la pen egoni. La pen ye kibigama we no konguto. Actually ta opitu lokadiangi pon lupit lokadiangi guto gutumo. Mokene ka yiribero ka kwano wile ya giki pa wile no choeni dia ina piera boro wiario mana tino ka lupo kore ni latien konya mete ki lupo kore lek gamento chul wego met kero ni dano dong kwa yukija wai I will lego gumu pen wai will ni dem ki konya ba ki konya la ku kwa luchiene niyo tika rinyo kere chide lego ni ke konya de bola modo level patuli dungan o we ko chamo kene ga wano loke waneno luteno wa magiti tela ni waneno gidak machalo kokoa ye pien gima tika time ya churi ni pe ka time pat mo kene mi Uganda I pat mi kene mi Uganda inore ga donki yero ye agenda tie ero megwa agenda wa giri we pa Romeo achula agenda wana chen Achola agenda wana chen. Give away for Romeo. Kay biro into practice. There's completely nothing. The question is, for how long shall Achuli keep on living? Come on. Kilo bolo magien gitiru beroka bolo gicha dudu. For how long? And actually more will be done. Will be done under tenure in it. This is a wrong tenure. We man we ana wajo la bonda with me. Opposition mago yakeo ki twin mada in 2026. Go be karo kui mu be chung with dana actually. Pien even within NRM unoti opposition leaders mu kene madong gudugulu mone. Ketgi pien cha wengi logo maraj ko NRM gi yerugi gi luogi ki nying mu kene no gi luogi na chut songa. Mero lo yincham Goma konji pere tino ngola kewa kono be bien genong be ko non ki welcoming gen miduga chut sanga ya ata mani be ki welcoming gen miduga achut songa pien gu beru ka yeto dano chitim ini mero ni ngat ma ini beru ka lanyo ne do ya kor latien bina jula puyi mada apuyi ni do ngweyo yape peke geni matwal gen peke now and trust enuma tika diminishing every now and then ya cholini impacted in nemo both short term and long term iko paletian wa idon pajowa ikitwa mi rocho pajo tika nemo la wa no ko mo mati very interesting Piem, machalo rocho pajo, gutika promoting Jimmy Mogo magitamani, ka dauti me ya chuli, twero ke la loga. Ikirati pur mwanyi, pur kokoa. Ela riego mo mano ngegi, chuno contract, me training dano, kimi supplying kodio. Gwa ya, wano wange wana ye wabitimo. Wapunyo dano wa miyo yedikero, pingo rakitiyu da kedano. So wano tiki jomo kene ma en kita chuli bolu charo lok ni reru pa diang bero yom chunya gwoke kien kia diang idong mo bi dange cha di manu remo tika karo ki ngure wek diri nyo cha mo ni gen gi ring gi nong gina chama jomo kene pe ki ideas gi kora ki buri ni yin nong kay wote kere wek gen nong gi katiro donc weko en kori lok ma wano loko eni Wam watika lok machalo concerned citizen. Watika lok machalo litia na chuli ma igi piyom. PM maki wajo ni legacy riba. There must be consistency. Wek legacy ni ki lok figure. You cannot be a human rights defender till you are a human rights abuser. Tibe mero ni ki bori mada. Pibino It doesn't work. Nia wan walu enyo mada machalo opposition mine neni NRM utimu gina kuman who win you low who responding to this issue. Ento daringe anda loke NRM kachwako kiti mano NRM no tiyo no kere. I think this is a shame. Berwe radio mano chino ka koko mabe chidong battery se dong chidong gatung chidong duane chako loke. That is the level mality and watch here. We are angera pe kit kija moge ken katiga lock malupe ki lock pa lock paletiano. Lock is not a problem. Ento the ben in ken man. Manjuri we de chungde ya chuli no be la NRM. We de katui ya chuli no be la NRM. Agenda me matie behind donyo paletiano wa NRM. Miri me matie mukaro lajo mafut kitika kanone o actually pe kanenone badon kitamani do muji tek don kitia ko don ye in petan actually should start thinking that line actually pe o chak neno enoni ni o jonne ko ri loke palestine ne mono timinono ke je tie gin mono pien machi look at the timing
Fred before I come any, that brings me to a question. Mauno Anamero Penyuki in Piane. At some point back, let me say almost 25 years, Guare, Nyobe Makaro, and more. You know, the Chow can have been MPs, Matino Kubrigan getting on all like a Kuluni. Gina ye Kuberka Peru look, we were Maraj, Mada Nyogwari. Kirikacheno be nyorache moti lok magen go berga kare kamenta rajmata par in rajmata kongan in rajmata gitlacho in kon ko betini, and these are the same people. Magen,
exactly.
To me, actually feels betrayed.
Highly betrayed. Pien ichawa ni actually lock a left right center niyo anga mono matwer gwoko mong pa actually. Langa pien ka dong wunu wajo ni man la merogo wa utimu banle kumwa wene wunu kede chida nge yina ki mano nge dano ki uchero gwago wunu ko ka kineni ki begini. I want to be a little sarcastic. Liti je mukene pe bege jo mabojo pien nemno kama bo leti wa koko ki pikwangi ya pa pedano ma ya pa wantin wa tumoko donc tin ki neko wawo tin no waro yetum ngeye atamo ni giloke gineno dano ci gitimo ni elu ka donc gibino ka loko en ababa gini katin non ci kemme ki wan mon patiolie pere gichiko patiolie pere. Don wego kadika watika neno 2026 kani ada yamo mabane ene binu toro jang jato weng chuno ya biru pere ara mero choko chunle tiena wa maput gudong magitiki ni yene achula agenda put peki katikere dak mera ni katikere kama leng taki chip inyim dano bukate kama lenga chu. We shall support them. Wapegi chene ba wana yelo bol queen. We shall support them. To our apport king out money matiki intention matia ti pi actually other than a dramatist babiro diga tuko goga nga koko ngene ko giribos me waige ning may neno ngene ni mero ngene kongola giken may neno kuki mero koko kongola giken chamo kere boss mig beria kara yen en wene magen karte kere loke mayen karte kere ni tigi mona daru ba kwile ni wat kuman neno. So the ben a waka pa chuli mauno Uganda ho wenki neno ni nemba iti na churi ni beokore komgi nono issues magitika raising meno those are real issues. One better pushing for transitional justice bill. Why yele pierre for so long final kati? No, the tian muberuka yele pierre, ni muberuka yele machalo position because they would feel that pain because they had the space mauno giloko proudly about Kara. Now you are in the system. And football no, la NRM madiga look so proud about Kara. Football no, yeah, actually football no. Maybe Kachalo Kara Mukene. I have not seen one. Pian Berueka de Donyo Quida, Chiti umbrella moma koyo ki can pie ki umo ki wi koyrong ni madong pide twerong lo. Gende kwara yene yes sir. Yes sir. Bolu ki bolu mano ki mi wango. Chi kaki miro ni one machala chuli wadok chien ya waka mamekwa. Ki wo tampa chuli. Beri your position petani actually no deck government. No. Actually I've disagreed with government on few issues. Mabere government bengia dani, these are real issues. But they're playing their cards. They're taking their time. They're not bothered. They're not bothered. Team kado nyini merni de bid mabe actually. No be donya NRM. De ben. Arati kien jo po beru mabe. Po beru mabe. Pian and I have issues matamoni. Kamente kong ugam. We have written them. We've talked about them. We've presented them. Ngoma geo gen doke ye. Kunbene ginye you. One of you victims of war. Never ki victims sit there no kerechan. One you mukene pay near the war because of trauma ma ini no I win your stories for victims. Did you know what no do gen nyerwa? Kay donyo od yat. He actually can equip the big way.
And victims enene get take at ma ben piago no chol ma meg.
That is the thing.
Yeah.
Ticket package more money and more get team no work package and directly make on your victims. We've seen so many government programs make but pity more make ni man no chudon ka biono ka your victims. Man ICC ngeng on the court padom ni go when go some small package. Kay winyo gidiga loye it wet ameni gi moma ka gi chibi nyimi chituki lako kuni okweji. About 3 million shillings is what these victims are getting, or they are going to get. Ero kay winyo gidi loye biru ba gidiga toko gidiga poko billion a chela ching victims. Where is our position, Machalo Kaka? Where is our position, Machalo Gamente, on this matter? ICC pubino ka tieko lok ma yachole. ICC ubino ka kelo ngol mati and Gamente has a stake. Gamente ukerutien I church ma ICC presenting kun yeni and I am going to be party and I will respect, uphold and always abide by. Ero kabe winyo we if you know even the subscription that you gonna be people paying. It's a shame. Deep into it, you know, depend. Personally, I have buried I don't know how many hundreds of victims. Pierre Nodo being a kuni, do part of him. Just because you want victims to survive, you want them to speak about the experience. You want them to break the silence in them. You want them to get justice. Victims justice more kibori. Mukene iwinyuni anamirone acknowledgement. Amir negu ye ni baloti mekoma. Chalu cho mi gu. Gu wadati wani. What we want is uye ni baloti mekoma. Chidong peke no. That is what justice is to them. Jomukene wini wani. Wek wa nong yo many chan, wek wa bid Machalo dana kero dugi, wek wa teach. Jomu kene makai penyo gi winyo wani, unonge wakamo wa nyoy iye. Madiri wa chimo ni gangwa, litino wa leyu. Jomu kene winyo wani, uye umini wa kero wek wa dong igangkwan, wa bid kingej Machalo jomu kene, wek bene wa piem kwedgi, ka ubini lok minongo teach. Ero tinong litino wa dongu umugweno ba. Pangyo magubi tuch kere bot dano. Nitim da tuch don kere em. man lok ma pire tek amiro ketu lok wuno kama leng kai bibino ka repeki gamente on this matter pida ke binda iyo ma wego dano tamoni unity ga timu kongola kike there is no problem bino ka waeni amira ti ka che legamente ero ne chui ya da ero ka de chero dong malo bot la dit logo tire chako bargaining ni arabinongo. What kind of signal does it send? I'm victim le ko ngana tin ndi ro ma ti chero eni
Fred
kadini
ana tamne ba ana tamne yeah Fred ana tamne kache gin ma no bi chwero chunya chole tiene gwake jon go bino gima yeba from a very most reliable source. John Pego bino wa kiri chilling aliba beat ma de ben te kere taja ko bini Pego bino
the ben
kichor tok John Achora and John Pego bino ginoma.
That is true, but the ben we are waiting to change.
Yeah.
Actually you beru karamoma chamo ken level give me resilient kept all na bonta mune commission pa joni tie mi no chene yin ke we consign mo ko nyoto ni chene pe e bi winyi ka go cha ko ka be ye ka defecting again from NRM ma furgo dona dona yene poti di poti mi mada donc pida mi do be ye du tu anda du ko angi yo ye ma ka ka be lo ko pa mugo nigi tamo nigi chono ke dan
Fred, expect that one expecting gine ene better to get mama part anangene obetema chochak now weka penyi kon kila penya shell piane lok pa honorable Anthony Akol wachini unono pemira ni dak ena ka chat ka penyi tampa choli pianda choli ya geno en no chan kom lok ge egoni gen chara MPs no dong parwat ne umir gina ke chet gi pen tamma choli chi umio gen no gitamo machalo gen piano no dong chan no gen gi ngeo lok ka cholo liweng dong gi cheron ka lok en in kam ke kam pata en pian woti lok ma down to a church mat one da
the ben down ma ko be kong la wit very weird kuri tek win money pa yom ma yom nyo kama leng ti ma ko ranyi ga chel ti cha ko konye ti ta money gen o wani actually should stop that is foolery of the highest order akol kong do mi accountability petit mayanity all these MPs let them give in accountability petit magem gitio while in parliament we dong modo dongi wa donga chenu jone en mado dongira dong mere ni dong wati ni dong wati dong ka chel pigamente ena yo we otin wano lo kong lungu mi kong who will there stand to give accountability ki actually piama churi tiki list of jemi ma ki riebo board gini gutin mo mateke kong do ka to mi accountability ni en mado ngana timo nen e kuma pana tima boro eta rio mudongi anone peti mega ti opposition be that team know that you don't in the party kongu kate konkere maybe enuni obe onyo oloko ayo mo itwina chole gukate kere otherwise ti loko kene dugu lok charo yini tamoni ka dong yende ri to twali parliament chino dong yende ngero pa pa chole kweje I think that is a shame. Kuri lokeno be po a board member of parliament kada yini nywago kare juju ki danu ni ma yini diga chumpegi lok charo ni pe karo ki dogi pien pero pachudi duong makonye bepe macha juju no achudi no tinu bakele and they are very genuine needs to be responded to kaki wajani ti pengi jomo kene be kagi penyo gini liki na di no first grade e constituency de be pingeyu schools are di mabeti constituency mukene be pingeyu. There are simple questions. We don't make pen your members of parliament. Pian Benano be Pibeno no get where no gamone. Chamoke no the water town don't pay pen you better do a room get to 12. Pian no you don't get to 12. So depend look and Mawan feel look on any look more me young twin. And look me to and actually it's high time actually woke up to say no to certain foolery. It's high time actually woke up to say ni kadong pay to don't obey la bondo Taylor. There's no way. You tell what you want. The only way of solving Pero Patuli is is joining movement. No, that is wrong. Opposition po chair ke panga ka luenje parliament. We go to you la tong me chair ka go top down in parliament. Opposition go chair ideas, go chair issues. Madano mi it give because of who they are as opposition. What do you oppose? What do you oppose? And these are the things ma ini kelu ma ini posi we jone gamende ka una da unu wajani unu ki unu kumala mi Uganda o we gamini wu statistic ene cham futti to this level look me your come futti to this level look me kwan futti to this level adi da ene ne unu tiyo that can only be brought by an opposition. Now if you are in the system kichoyero iri no be kwanku ni machado gamente amirna kundi woman ni mana ya achievement in northern Uganda. Kidong dano be odong chingi. Jal, what is wrong is wrong. You cannot make it right by another wrong. No. Maybe no depend. Look and look me chewing. Fine. They've chosen good chero. One no wamero and gonna more way in sustainability. Wamero nano how long they will take there without falling praise. Because look gigi can to you go. Pianga mo kendo cha rong bang rong loko kirna kana na wajon. To you gi. Kong lo ngo ma churi jar ka lo nyane. Magi chika upeni. Lo ngo. Gima churu don kere era yemi ye yene jone don ayo wow. Let us retreat. And let us truly retreat and start life afresh. Kidori gang kwan achulu makpu achulu gitatu ngom. Achulu tiki the available resources. Achulu luanyi lokum yorokum gi. Achulu manual. Achulu gwok letieno kichul gi gangkwan. Achulu yu gang. Achulu chak chem mabejo weguri mwaga maduong. Kong yini nen rain mitoi actually is alarming. It's a bit achil they every week the actually nentar ki iko dano makarumi achil. Every week. And yet rain menu until a painful.
Yeah.
And Jomatoni, these are breadwinners and getting at all. Jomagiti in their productive age, Jomuka Magu take him on a begu belu me time and getting at all. Chitin no one tamani, the one no tea mother, the one no local. See, a year up, we are watching them. We don't hate the party NRM. But when we're military and will be relevant, the TNY should be consistent. The TNY should grow throughout their political life. We again magin good to you, team, gin magu logo team. Congo achieving. How you pay in regards to local victims of war, Majui were Makar Chawa Rivi in money. What have you achieved? The more team ago waju. Are they the one who took Dominic and went to the Hague? Have they been part of the court in the Hague? Makoni kit lead with Gitwer Chakawajanani. Mana Yagina Wateo, one or two Dominic and went, started looking on Libya and on to the bush. There's nothing they will say. Victims are dim again go mago chingi matin proudly gewajoni walo kogi from grass to grace. From being victims to victors. Victims are dim. Those are certain things now we need to talk. So accountability, Pierre Tech, at Harmony in their campaigns, we are going to be very bold to ask for the accountability. We're not here to take more any team while in parliament. For these 5 years, for Jomokendori 20 years. The Mukendori 20 years. Even others have taken more than that. So the Meranin Kongnum depending for all this period, Mado Bere, do Timo, Mado Timo. Jomokendo we do go take to the level ma wa wangidong pechime. Kiriachi wangidong peto. Piala we don't pay. Ungiyo ki gopa, ungiyo ki bolo dano, ungiyo ki timu Jimmy, the contrary. Tiana logo ke duana ma tek ke tian lok pian loko guru chwinya. Aneno we to paja yetika bino. In the middle of Rocho Paju, to Paju donyo. Now man beda ko be duoko tik pa Rocho Paja angej. I am not saying that Rocho Paju is opposition, but Rocho Paju wants to stand on the facts, wants to stand on those issues. How we comprehensively, kikela loga actually. Erong tien le tian wagu umugweno. Umo, completely umugweno. So that is a shame. I have seen people who were so strong before joining the party NRM. But immediately they join, they are even so proud me local things that are so irrelevant in him now. Can you know when you can do it, can logo something over the TV? I think that is a shame. They will do it we used to know. They will do it we used to be proud of. They will do it Macau, you know, the office he read throughout. And it was so bold to talk about issues affecting Uganda. Today he has become someone. Logo photocopy for do it again. I'm not saying we hate NRM, but what I'm saying is actually should style up.
Yeah.
Actually get fun, chalo when my phone mat, no mat malia tige wang money. Chalo luang my phone with chat tige wang money. Actually should think twice before any action. Ke buri luri before you loke jomu chweli ni ba dukchen bodgi ni ojo ne anatamo ni ana be loke be ana loke kitian loke en lutu wuru waju ni ngo. People are not going to fight you. That people are going to listen to your heart. People are going to feel your pain. People are going to give you the blessing. Ina tiem loka da kado o kumenu loke eroke loke tim kuman ere chawani actually wenga penyo ngini litino mane go loka pengo ni go pichene gitika renyo ke bal magutimo gitika neno gidi korkuyo. I mean there are so many answers make miyo ilokum loke paretino ni which should have not been like that. Chi ana nano many. This is good for this discussion, but this discussion has to be extended. Odurna me bora chula yene biro mi campaign di choem.
Yeah.
Not more can mobile Taylor. Kondo mi accountability yo. Pingo ma yano bero katimone.
Yeah.
So that we are proud of him.
Yeah. We do an anabera wate 2026 enini kalo ba puru mi ko para cara ana dit di ben ini ana mero mako wit lok mangat la chunga chela chel makono bikar ki magwak porne le weng amira mak lok doge cha ku kere 2031 we kong wanen ka chengar ene no timu gen mone piana no mira timi wang mukate ero pia timu so wang idong amita da tim yes ero pa no na pe ki copyright ana mir gen mama ana ber ki copyright ma wapenyu wono dogila wachel jaruka mapengar mone pier mere pier mirne kwa piane put gen money and take a mere timneni a mere ni ki pen dog dana egono liweng now look te maduonga kan la pen madal te ka penyu ne kidon koni ben be twal we loko kene pen pala dit enaye no yo muchuya to twal mala dit jana ne gwera wachini when there was conflict in northern Uganda, why were there no journalists to picture to show how people were mistreated? Now, in America, mayor, in America, mayor, ne, Roma Rani, Maber Katime Carmeno, Uno report in journalists, me jallukomi, Kacher Kamako Chel. Nyo mechier katimuga chal kamene Roma Rani cha beru tek Rani ne beru bene pepe beru man komidong pen gena chon pa watika niang magnitude onyo kitma Roma beru kere Roma Rani cha beru la mal maka in kage ma in mage gena kit mogo in no ipono iwinyo niki no liel money eno beru pege ngeo ngawonte me dano no pole dante ngwech Kibenon kar journalist journalist beno giter gichalo position chipole wengo re exile mono ene la gamma ana amera gam malupe ki enoni wo Patrick ki South Sudan kidong la dit jana kwera be wajini ludira chole uti kwene pe uneno gin matie katime ikom danwa pingo wa maro lim ni kar dano wa mane eneni la peny maber twal
Exactly. And these are the questions and to me, Nyimgi.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly. One more point to go, Isaac. Kidong Lino Gomiktiga Wani, does the international community have a mandate or obligation to speak on the issue that concerns the Acholi people? If so, are they doing that, and to what extent?
Gonna
Yeah,
depend.
yes, Amir,
Yes,
yeah.
Amiru Lino Ongeni, the international community have done a lot of things.
Yeah.
They have documented a lot of things. They have published a lot. And so, and Tira Churiwani, Agor Pechamo Ngoro Kuluni. They've put the government of Uganda under a lot of pressure. But Oka more limited Gikoko. And these people have not yet slept. They are still awake. Victims of war are being taken to, big meetings out of the country almost every day. Why are they taken? Not for study purpose. Because they want their voices to be heard. They want them to be seen, be an evidence and know. They are not sleeping. One day, these issues will come to life. Yeah. Because it will come to light.
That's right. Yeah. That's right. So, let's go to the next comment. John and Gueratika Wachini, Northern Uganda, Itelot Pamuze, Pepino Gin Mama Bear. NRM Dong, Unero, Pachua Wara, Gin Ango, Ma Miero, Watim, where Odua Kuch, Kachel, Ki Justice, Ilobo Acholi, Latino, wa Magidonya, NRM, Pilim, Keken, Mantam, Kariki Botla did Janan, where Kibeno Mete, Kunwachi, Acholi Miero, Giero, Mirgiero MPs, Manyan, in 2026, Beru which Mada bought MPs, Aki, Northern Uganda. They have failed in their duties to serve their own people. Now,
there's no doubt about that, Ben.
Let me comment on this. Let me comment on this. Let me tell you, on record, from a very reliable source, Amir won't actually win my pay. One actually, Pianing okay, why no one actually give one more on time work in the Pada actually. And actually, Amir can't win my pay. Gamente, Unio, Puero, Unyamo, Chigunone, MPs, Mamegwane, they are not productive.
That is true.
Omio, kumbidi inde neno, jungu wigi kitika jungu wigi ni, weke all tege o pete kachiele chiele. Kumbidi inini kumalome Uganda, tie productive, a level makache lutela, the right lutela tie in place, kumalome Uganda kaka en, ma inenero joke endo bino bere iene, amira wochu lutua. Ni, tie kikero, me pieto, lobe maduong ba, mano ka wawaje, China benetiki ne, ramu wa pieto, mano bene ngom me kumalame Uganda keken, ramu pieto, lobe magiti, ikumalame Africa, ramu pieto Spain, ramu pieto other European countries. Donc, kene eneni mirte lutela mati, kawek bulak widano, bien yang chan propaganda mono berutie, mano lutela gipino ginyueno widano. So kumbiri ini dong bidano miro betie manotiu ki yu pagamente mel kelo dans lobo e kumalo me Uganda. Now le bon dans lobo petit kit muchor mo nyo chiana mo ma Uganda bino ma Uganda bilon kere makirika jomu kena e bino ma dan ki ye eto no lo teder kaka ini no gitigi chwaki kom yup matie wer yup chane o siat malo. So MPs enene pegitwer supporting nenoli enone ke yope enene omio language majone ene gilogo peo bikelo alaga mo ken machalo log ma mindset iwidano ikom ka ma mirki fugi ma pedong lokolo ko mwanye ko anga gi ngoge ni dano bichak pur ga mo ma ibi neno chalo kon pile nyanya gi tigu gi anga gene ini me expert magin no be better la mal from a very reliable source amirne ngema bene mapat ki wara chuli madong wahol kilo telele enini wagamenda dong mero ologio amyo na nena wichi wuni lok mech piko ochene chupa ni NUPN enero nge gwara ki cher kedo i parliament kadong ki bituku gila wache le room waingom ingeo kama no choron machan mage gigenati ye kira tukere ka korchwe kama choron machan choron akwenya ni ba tuk ne room wa pen tinong kraj ka giberga onyo chet ko ye so kini eneni tie aner mo abe bena betero bena ter kun na ter maduong aya jana ngwera bena tiga wani there is no impact of actually MPs in the parliament at all. They join NRM because of their ambition. They are after riches and their family. And that is what it looks like, in that way. Lino Gomik, if you are new and do not know well, Lino Gomik is my name, the usual staunch commentator on this platform and several others. Now, any anangema be mata Lino Gomik in the church ma in church ka any church come ma we all know about that. Kidong Wood Pachilo watching live from Lego. Greetings, brothers. Amar Kitma Utie ka Nywako Kere Lok Any. It's really meaningless to defect from opposition to ruling government, thinking everything will be okay. Now, Fred, ringulok ya. Ingolok kini ringulok ya. Piana kita wai ni kiano John. Ni kiano dong piana kita wai kiano ki failing omada mano loke kena opposition cha wai ngaya mi don lo pero ngo petika piana kumal me Uganda. But I know this could have been a whole different thing. And I'll chawa to mo kono karben kita kaya degolo one kachel one ki Fred wabit dugu kono amir wa nyam kong lok manma and ladit father Eric okare kere loke enel loke acham ngunyane man pe le baraj ba loke acham ngunyane inge Fred an kada gonye kere gini loke acham ngunyane you'd wonder and you say leba chuli mo mater loke acham ngunya pere charlok mo peba era cham ko katie
exactly
ayo chi kadung ki wa na cham ngunya kadung ka wa cham ngunya any no dung katie in this modern world around town such a thing such a word malaya yaram wacho loke enoni
exactly
so could it be any father tiga wani ni MPs wa magola kane malaya So, like, this is something. But one of
That
the
don't-
year one kiri, Chamir wa nyam mot, pian animated better wa nyam
Exactly.
kiri wa lock, mogo kira rom kitmano, lock kitmano, father katikere, and mere lock in wang ben wa nyam mo pam kaka any. And that probably might be tomorrow, mano and one being wa nyam lock any.
It's well.
Yes, look at me,
It's well. I'm not at lokame magika e frate ka koro jomu ker mu biro ko bodo lok mu ma don ko me na reme kire mago be gonyo kere kono yellow fever kono ngo adi koro kire gen go be gonyo kere piem kamado ngo o yeni ma do dugu ribi go o dugu racho kido arbe adi koro kay nen jemme ne poti me kiti mano mirge tiene kiti ma jono be don bun kere kida lego ne NRM we primary be tie Chwe chwin ki leya. Ki wek primary betie. Mabe ubet an open primary. Peda no ki beta diu down ni kono bol kwi ki ngare ni. Ki wek betie. Wek the right candidate ayo biro chung. Pidong yin nong e ado nge la kuru pi dare biro nong kanchire dugu dong won gang. Mero pe timme.
Kaka.
La wi tutwal boro chuli. Ni je makomante timme. It's a shame. Pe weko wa very proud. Charge manu bichaye wa kere ni no funo na thing. Dong madung ngene tino cha loke. Level madung ki chaye wa kere. La mal madung lik ko kadika. Ana po ere twa ruot mi poru meti bubum.
Apo bene atamni en loka primary eni bene ka ineno bichero beru tiechi bi beru be mada ingeo part mo kene ma bene no donki okay ye ka dong in crossing ibicher no donki kuno bene onke chimo nga miro chungo bange ka ambe da ye mo ko ne ene nga be independent.
Ahí la pega apoyo.
Apoyo mate.
Achole pikuste, pero ngena achole pikuste. Achole pitemme, pero ngena achole pitemme. Achole pikuste, pero ngena achole pikuste. Achole pitemme, pero ngena achole pitemme.
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step out our toes now. We are the elephants.